So the Maverick cannot not comment on the recent sudden retirement of West Indies T20 and ODI captain Pollard. Now, first of all, happy riddance. He was not any big captain in the first place. He was always more hype than substance as a captain. And certainly, since becoming West Indies captain, he was nothing special either as captain or as a batsman. And when you reflect on how Pollard became West Indies captain, I don't think he really wanted to be the captain. It was more of a misguided move of symbolism and appeasement by Ricky Skerritt, who campaigned on including sideline former star players. But it never worked. Indeed, it backfired. With that World T20 title defense embarrassment, where that team of geriatrics was by and large Pollard's team. So if you ask me, he should have retired immediately after the World T20. Plus, his natural successor, Nicholas Poran, seems an able replacement as white ball captain, as much as captaincy can help the West Indies team. So all this big hullabaloo about Pollard's retirement and blah, blah, blah. See my belated response, yeah?